Hey everybody, it is Randy, MyScreenKit.net, of course, king of SolarScreens.com in Texas. Another big question we get fielded: are solar screens permanently attached? The answer is no. Semi-permanently, yes. What do I mean by that? This particular style window, we're going to use a 1/4-inch head galvanized screw, the same color as the frame, one dead center on the left and in the right. This style of window has a lower channel and an upper channel that keeps that nice and snug inside of its track. This will allow you, the homeowner, to just grab a 1/4-inch nut driver or a bit on the end of your drill, easily remove this, and just like this window to my left, set it to the side. So unless you decide to glue it, it's only semi-permanent. It'll allow you to take that off and maintenance your window if it ever gets broken, hurt, or otherwise, or use it to escape during a fire or some other emergency, I guess. MyScreenKit.net. Like us, support us. We're here for you.